Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a very small accessory which goes along with our GoPro Max camera and also with GoPro Hero 9 and 8. Now, before we take a look at that accessory, I want to ask how many of you have invested in these accessories? I'm not saying the original mount on the GoPro Max camera is bad, but like as we all know, for 360 users, we need to keep the camera perpendicular on selfie stick so that the stick is not visible in our footage. So before we take a look at that accessory, I would like to share how much time and money I have spent on this. And I would like to know in the comments how much time you have also spent to find a perfect accessory which fits your needs. So as we all know, GoPro mount is foldable. So to go along with that, I made the first purchase, which was this. This is from Samtree. This is a good mount, good build aluminium, and it fits the purpose which I needed, like converting from GoPro mount to quarter 20. But the problem with this was that the base is really large and you end up seeing the corners of this in the footage. Then the second purchase which I made was this one. Now this is a really good mount if you want to use. Now this is also aluminium built, which again fits my purpose of converting the GoPro mount to quarter 20. But as we all know that the GoPro mounts here, they are round, they are not rectangular. So what happens is, like if you sit along with your backpack, you will end up having a minor angle or tilt, which will end having a selfie stick in the shot. So that was my problem with this. So after that, I made this purchase, which is completely getting rid of the original one and replacing it with the quarter 20. If you want to use selfie stick, then this is the mount. But if you want to use the GoPro ones, like if you want to use it on a bike mount, or if you want to use it while on the helmet or something, then again you have to get rid of this and convert it back to the GoPro mount, which I don't want it to do. So I end up purchasing this mount. Now this is also an aluminium build. This goes on to your quarter 20, converting your quarter 20 to GoPro mount. But again, like as you can see, it has a bigger base here. So this also ends up being visible in your footage. Then just few days back, I found this one. Now this one also fit perfectly fine, like so, and this will convert. As this has a smaller base, this is not visible in the footage. Now as you can see here, I have removed the original GoPro mount and replaced it with quarter 20. Now when you purchase this one, you will get the Allen key and a spare GoPro mount. So you have a backup if you lose this one, the original one. But the problem with this was, this is sticking a little bit out, so you lose the flatness of the GoPro Max, which is not a big deal. I just want to show you that if you buy this, then you will have this problem. So now moving on to my final purchase, I think that will solve my issue of having both system in one. So let me get rid of this and I will show you the final product. Here it is. I think this is going to be my last purchase for my GoPro Max, and I think this is going to solve my issue of using both systems in one. So this is a dual port connector for GoPro Hero 9 and 8, but this works perfectly fine with our Max. So let's take a look at it. Once you open, this is all written in Chinese. So the one good thing is, like, they have included the screwdriver and you get spare screws in this. As you can see here, you have spare screws if you lose some of them. So let me just put it back in, as we don't need them now. And this is the adapter or the mount, as you can see here. So you have quarter 20 in the middle and the GoPro mount. I don't know why GoPro didn't design this from the first place. This is a simple design like here. And this is the original which came with the Max, and this is the new one. The only difference I found was for the original one, you have this rubber feet in the middle so that it doesn't damage the GoPro Max. But here, as this is the quarter 20 thread, so you don't have that rubber base. But besides, I think everything is the same. Now let's try this with our GoPro Max. This is the best 360 carbon fiber selfie stick. If you haven't seen this video, I will add the link in the description or a card somewhere so that you can take a look at it. Now let's try connecting to our new GoPro mounting system, and it fits perfectly fine. You wanna see it's here. Now let's try with the GoPro mount. Yes, it fits perfectly fine. Yep, it has no issues fitting in the original GoPro mount. So it fits perfectly fine. So that's it. I think my search for a proper GoPro mounting system is over now. I can use my quarter 20 and the GoPro mount at the same time without screwing and unscrewing anything. By the way, this video is not been sponsored by Telesin. I have made this purchase myself. Yeah, I think this is a really good purchase if you have a GoPro Max or a GoPro Hero camera as well. So if you decide to make a purchase for this one, I will add the link in the description so that you can buy for yourself. This costed me around 1800 yen here in Japan. So yeah, I think I'm happy with this. So if you like this product and like this video, hit that like button, do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. Until then, see you in the next one. Peace.